Good morning, students. So today again we will try to find out prime factorization using factor tree method. So it is very easy to find in this particular way. Okay, so now we will take a question first to find the prime factorization of 140. Now in factor tree approach or method, you just have to write the number on top. Okay, and now basically what we are doing, we are finding the prime factors of 140. So 140 you will write it here, then again you will make branches. 140 can be written as 2 into 70. Okay, the factors of 140 is 2 into 70. The main thing is that we have to find the prime factors. Okay, so prime factors will be 2, 3, 5. So these are the example of, these are prime numbers. So the factors should be in these forms only. Okay, so now 2 is a prime number, so we will leave it here. Now 70 can be further divided into can have other factors like 2 into 35. We can write it as a 70. Okay, now again this is a prime number. We will leave this here only because this is already in prime. These are prime numbers. So 35 can be written as 3 into 7. No. 5 to 7. Okay, so 35, 7 into 5, 35. So 5 is again a prime number and 7 is again a prime number. So now you can write it, prime factor of 140 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. You can write the same in exponential form as well. 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7. Okay, so you can see now 2 is again prime number, 5 is again a prime number, and 7 is again a prime number. So this is a solution. Okay, so prime factor of 140 is 2 square into 5 into 7. So this is the solution. Okay, so here basically what we have done, prime factorization of 140 using factor tree approach. So this is tree where it has got branches as well, and we will stop as soon as we will get the prime factor, and we will continue, and here also we have a prime factors. So this is what, so I hope that you have understood. It is a very simple mathematics. Okay, in next chapter we will be solving some more complex questions. Thank you very much.